Manu di se na manu pay many brisem pan say with all the intel enyan say bibian kochiwa ewie list of names no ebeba
okay
ache kura no ye just echina
okay
bibian chia say benne na the best says essence ye kurase ne ye potem puntu na ka echire no ye besre esi ahene fo na wono koto ye mensin krachi fo no so
assembly fo no.
It should not be the partisan issue as usual. Development akechire. Decisions to take for Ghana to move forward no akechire. It's ye besre omo. So omo no mo your presentation of names which means that Edimbi Afroko Abankesi mono. The person deserves to be there. It is a nipa 3 and a 5 and a 2 and a 8 the qualifier call Jubilee House. You don't expect all the 8 to be there. Say 8 in qualify. They mon bakuni binya. So I say yes romo. Say essence ye hu kire ye wase ono. Omo emma nyoman timin ko hareso. Na ye mention crash for the metras na de fa ye mpuntu no ani asetrem ye die was apotem ono.
Intimin kon
because so almost so ko twe diarrhea e chese dan we be ko December ko me certificate of no presiding member nkwa no ye twe ho diarrhea up and down and ukobia Easter ono so crowd o mention crash them so free Moses no and so adam pan and a whole lot of the assemblies ye be say omuntu anamon quickly na say making wow ye moshishi wow fize din o eneya kopem chira no pande de be sinaide na esie
and kwabna for oma anya no my little advice ni say enye this nko na we ya obetimi asom oman no
and ko na omasem party for omasem
enye this nko na we ya obetimi asom oman no there are other avenues
there say me there is a party stu nyina ho setimi eyi di free party ni me omo didi atemo party no and yes obi koye nyoma ye contrary to the party she MPP for mo kasa anyhow NDC for mo yes obi be kasa tia mo party she nkwa na mo ka mo party for na ankasa no omo kasa ni omo ni ye ni bi ho no ma enye papa they should also look at those things na mo de baby ade no mo no so mo no ade no da mo na si emia na ekomode a mo fi se mo de ye so they should not try to be cowards and hypocrites with serving only their political party interests. They should expand the scope. Party reps who also appear anywhere.
Selective justice.
Oh, but say in this particular case, I'm saying that more expanding or more disciplinary action. Party form better radio so did you be a titem INSM fatano? The party should also get the courage. So that is na mo de party common kwa dia na mo and emia mo dia mo de mo se muntibi na na emia dia mo se e normal no edi omo enya hwehwe anim no all the political parties especially in the case of the NDC because mo de na aba
I mean with the expulsion of Orakoku
so that is three road no omo so me I don't care whoever but I'm saying there are people within their party likewise the NPP if one person sanity bus system anymore, they should sanitize the whole system. And the other day is right, but I'm suggesting to them that Omon try man and coca money pediana and Zana I said I bet take action. I bet you are only there. What you feel in this audio, I bet you are. A treat your man for one child, mobile when you go, it was a party business. But I'm a party people the so they should man country. Man country, but audio will be audio. It's what I say. Abuano, agronian candy with here.
What's agronian?
So what I say. So once we are sanitizing the system, we are sanitizing. Now, finally, Greater Accra Regional Minister. He said, yeah,
fantastic.
Chief Justice, lawyer, whatever, Supreme Court judge, whatever, Attorney General, and you know, who say, democracy without a little bit of dictatorship. Oh, come before me, so no. Lawyer Samsela the best test is here. Only in David. No humility. You know humility.
Then that is
so din as a man moon conform. Edu baby no one for bukata kakra ne den
amfema yeah
nipa so brache no bro adwene ntiase
yeah so den
too much on say obi ti meji adwuma 4 weeks or 3 days or 1 week say me ya ba adwuma waje ampa an we are no problem waje 2 3 4 days 1 week enya we on fa de dia dance bia ma say o bia
wenti na mentimi am yeah so no un can be nchire obi a
na shewa
it's a adwuma no wa adwuma nti
it's a warning to on ya ba adwuma the public and civil and doctor engineer na atwata mona akufrane ne abotire ne dia hyem anything you will do to sanitize these public civil servants no munye because the bane of our challenge and our problem as a country this public and civil servants majority of them
kwabna obi akotre adwuma ma na pesa ba adwuma ni
majority of them
but
so say and so akwa no pekro and say on report no watwe obedu adwuma no ndu no pound no mienu no asa kasa nyoma nko yie wo Ghana but you are not playing your role eti omoso na okwa wo kuta krata odi koye adwuma wo honom no and then on be frustrate you sir my catch say these public and civil majority of them they've taken us for granted for too long a time the local government services yes sir paying power now doctor engineer na atwata we a guy so let your guys reflect our service nim for share any sanctions ahodo to wa one a Ghana adwuma no one be hu say it is a duty call and a privilege it be say mu nyina mu me mu ama ye Ghana na ye pe no
enye adwuma
so
enye adwuma
finally one so the interface of airport no na almost no access na doors Hollandia
wako hona nse
Hollandia no ados dudo ados too much mu na mu twa mfonyi say Ghana ni
akwabra opa kire womo ye adwuma wo
ka say so patch me me patch adwuma ozu e dey say na ka chini maka wono mu ye adwuma e so say o patch
Dabi na say o come Dabi na butchanya
mu ye adwuma ozu I tell you that the people who are at Kotoka International Airport when you arrive no more you want to go come
be specific and no can why no because you want to padodo
security for
exactly
you want more
back terminal immigration for and why
there's no money want to make come
okay all right na say na okay you know say you know na quite experience na taxi driver say wa dia
taxi drivers in Soprano they think that all the people arriving are foreigners omunim se Ghana for ni bi atena wa che o for obi free airport akwa Ashalibotwa o gi 200 cedis wa botam
I say because the bad no also
we always abuse and take advantage of
yeah kwamna no de me no ya adwin kwamna me no ya adwin
o ba o se unu afa
kwamna say anya abufuo
da bi ne bofu na dey
ha
enkran ha This academy chichide ba ku bi no da ho anamboa
ba mo hwe yi o se zumi apa dia e be ni me ba ku bi na me achoma to my signboard tantan bi o
ewe
Accra Zoo na se mo se ko bufu practice na kuma Zoo na da so ejuma
enya ho na ben Ketia marketer na last time ko okram se den na me ko hu ni
babla ma me bi se wasema se wako ma me go da bi o mai ma me bi se sije e ka me bi se kwa bna se ma me ka Zoo na se o se ne wa sheshu aye lazy
Accra Zoo no
on one lazy
ko ya de ba se mesremo no mema nyina munye careful se o ma wa fu ati se me ni awana ene me matri nyina kotu wo fomo bra ma bra himati we